Are you an illustrator?
Yes.
You're very muddy.
I was attacked by a 1.5-ton bull.
Oh!
I am prepared to offer you a staff position.
You capture something of a cat, perhaps because you yourself are an outcast.
I do it to provide for the 5 hungry and precocious sisters that I live at home with. And we've had a governess.
I think you're the first person to see that cats are ridiculous, frightened, and brave, like us.
Miss Richardson has had an incredibly positive effect on this family. Were you painting something?
Is something funny, Mr. Wayne?
Not at all.
You're a cat man.
Cat man.
A whole cat world.
They will turn blue and communicate with us in our own language.
Did you say that they would turn blue?
Yes, of course.
Wow. What's going on in that funny little head of yours?
Electricity. Okay, Louis, I'm worried about you. I feel electricity.
Mr. Wayne, I have been called here because your sister is concerned for your health.
You have squandered it on wretched cats and on a willful, doomed, tainted romance.
How you've managed to conjure images of such delight at such a dark time, I don't know.
Just remember, however hard things get, however much you feel like you're struggling, the world is full of beauty, and it's up to you to capture it, Louis, and to share it with as many people as you can.